What up, bitch? Hey guys, how are you? And welcome to a new video. Look who I got. Our best friend Pablito. I'm sorry that I keep picking you up, Pablo, but the people want to see you. They love you. Cause you're so cute. Okay, I'll let you go. A little while ago, I tried the curly girl method on my not so curly hair, and apparently I did it completely wrong. I mean, not completely, but I did kind of fuck it up, which funnily enough, a lot of people think I like do things wrong on purpose for content. That's actually not the case. I'm just an idiot. So I'm literally trying, okay? So yeah, I did the curly girl method. I did it wrong-ish, but I still ended up with curls. So that made me excited for my hair, because if I did it wrong, I still ended up with curls. That shows that my hair does wanna curl, you know? So I thought, why not just try it again and try to do it better this time. Last time I just didn't have the right products because I was in Bali, and like the hair care products are pretty scarce. There's just not a lot of options, okay? This time I went to the store and I actually got products that are supposed to be for curls and are supposed to help you with getting curly hair. So that's what I'm going to do today. And no, this is not my own hair. I mean, it is, but I'm wearing extensions, as you can probably tell by the way it is not blended with my own hair at all. I'm just thinking, is funnily an actual word? Because I feel like I use that word a lot, but now I'm thinking about it, I don't even know if it's a real word. Funnily enough. Funnily. Funny? Funnily. Wait, let me Google it. It actually is right. Okay. Exciting. So the method I'm going to do today, I'm going to do it differently than the last time. This one looks really fun. It's basically just like dunking your head in a bowl of water. And then you're gonna get curls. I don't know the logistics behind it, but I saw a lot of people do it and it looked fun. Here is an example of what I'm going to do to my hair today and my head. Let's hope I'm not going to ruin my eyeliner, because I'm pretty sure it's not waterproof. Again, I don't really know the logistics behind it. I also don't know why you have to do everything upside down when you're doing like curly girl methods. Everything is upside down. Is that for like volume? I don't know. Anyways, let me just show you guys what I'm working with right now. Let me take out these crusty dusty extensions. Oh god damn it. So like I said in my last video, is it? Oh, there's food stuck in my teeth, I'm sorry. Jeez. Like I said in my last video, curls do run in my family, so it isn't like too crazy for me to like see if I have curls or not. But I definitely don't think I have them the way that they have them. But maybe I got some. Maybe I got some. Okay, so this is my hair right now. Oh, my hair looks crazy. The top layers are pretty straight, but like if you then go into like the back layers, those are definitely more curly. Oh, this is a braid. I forgot that I made a little braid in my hair. But yeah, it's definitely, or like, I don't know, not curly, but like wavy, you know? There's definitely something going on. So we're just gonna see if I can turn it into actual curls. Okay, so first thing I have to do, wash my hair. Which I not only have to do for the curly girl method, but also have to do because my hair is absolutely disgusting right now. You can just like deep fry some fries in all the grease that's on my scalp right now. Here you go, Pablo. A fresh bowl of water for you. I washed my hair, I shampooed and conditioned it and then brushed it, so now it's all nice and clean. for the first time in months, I feel like. So now we can do our beautiful bowl method. And Pablo's gonna help me. That's cute. So I got some curl activator. This is called the Leave-In Curl Smoothie. It has black castor oil, shea butter, and plant protein complex in it. What the heck is plant protein complex? I feel like that's a marketing thing. What we're gonna do is put this shit in our hair, or at least I'm gonna put it in my hair. And then I just have to dunk my head in a bowl of water. It's the most random thing ever, but okay. I'm gonna dunk my head in a bowl of water a couple of times, because once isn't enough. Also, this is cold water, if anybody cares. I don't know if it matters if it's cold or warm, but this is cold. And I also have a beautiful microfiber towel to dry my hair with. Then I also have, I don't know what I'm gonna use of this, but okay. I got, bye peep. I got hair foam, I got gel, and I got a hair oil. I don't know. Is any of that stuff good? I think so, because women use it on their curly hair. Well, I don't know if it works for this method. So yeah, let's just get started. I think I'm gonna do like coin size. Is that the right size measurement? I don't know. What the fuck? Okay, that was easy. Oh, that smells so yummy. That smells like coconut. I love coconut. Love, love, love. I'm gonna do the praying hand motion. I don't know what it does, but I saw a girl talk about the praying hand motion, so that's just what I'm gonna do too. Let me just add a little bit more, because we're gonna dip it in the water anyways. Oh, this already is hurting my neck and my back. Oh my god. I wish I was still 18. My god. Okay, so now we just gotta dip. We gotta dip it in there, boop, scrunch, dip side, scrunch, dip side, scrunch, and then do that a couple of times. Let's go, let's go. Ah, let's go. Oh my god, that's cold. It's turning the water pink already. Okay. I don't know how much we have to squeeze though. Do I have curls already? I don't know. Okay. Do sideways. Sideways. Oh, cold. On the one hand, it's nice and refreshing. On the other hand, it's way too cold for me. Okay, so I just have to repeat this step 3 more times. Dunk. And dunk. And squeeze. Okay, that was the last squeeze. I actually don't know. Wait, what do I have to do now? Do I use my towel or do I put the gel in there? I feel like I'm about to pop out of your TV screen. You have 7 days. Okay, wait, let me see what I have to do, because I forgot. Obviously. Again, not doing this on purpose. I'm just an idiot.
Completely done with the bowl. I'm going to glaze in my gel, making sure to get both sides of my hair evenly, and then I'm scrunching this in to encourage that curl pattern and long-lasting curls.
Okay. I got it. Okay. So oh my god, my neck hurts so much. Can I just like stand up for a moment, or is that gonna ruin everything? Oh my god. Okay. I'm using Eco Gel. I don't know if this is the right one. It's just the one that I have. And it's alcohol free, which we love to see. Repairs, conditions, defines, moisturizes, smooths, and shines. Well, that all sounds absolutely lovely. So shall we just put that in our hair? Beautiful. I'm trying to not use too much, because I don't really like the feeling of gel in my hair, but you gotta define those curls, you know? And then we're gonna use our microfiber towel. And we're gonna dip it in our hair. Oh, let's get the bubblegum water out of there. How's it looking? I can't really see it that well because I'm upside down, but I feel like, hello? I feel like something is happening, right? I definitely see some texture going on, which is nice. We love to see that. This is so painful. I don't know why I'm standing all the way over there. I feel like it hurts my necklace. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Okay, I got most of the water out of my hair. So now I'm gonna use a diffuser. I feel like it's weird that you're barely seeing my face in this video. Anyways, I got a diffuser. I stole it from my mom. And by stealing it from my mom, I mean I asked nicely if I could borrow it and she said yes. And I'm going to use it on my curls. Also, if anybody knows, like, you can choose whether you want this to like move or like stay stuck. Is there a reasoning behind that? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's get to blow drying. Okay, I'm done blow drying my hair. That felt like it took an hour. Oh my god. So I guess this is kind of like the moment of truth where we see what it looks like, because I don't know, I'm just seeing pink. That's the only thing I see. Like, I see a pink curtain. So I don't know what's going on with my hair. So yeah, let's just flip it over, I guess. Soft and gentle. Make sure I don't ruin the curls that I wait. I don't, what's going on over here? Let's look in the mirror. I'm not really sure what this is. I don't think these are curls. Are these curls? Also, it says anti-frizz on the packaging, but this is probably the frizziest my hair has ever been. let me get some oil, some jojoba oil. Squeeze that in my hair, just a little bit. Did that make it better? Hello? Can anybody tell me what's going on with my hair right now? What the hell? Okay, everybody, I did the bowl dipping method, but I feel like this one is not for me. My hair doesn't... It really doesn't look curly at all. It just looks like a hot mess. It looks frizzy and out of control. Like, definitely some pieces are curling way more than before. Like, I don't know, let me find a nice curly piece. I mean, also, I don't know, like, yeah, this... Also, it's not curly, it's wavy. It's like doing this and not this. You know what I mean? And there's so many strands in there that are still like straight. and my hair just looks frizzy and it's like not working at all. I'm sad. Wait, let me show the back. I don't know if I did something wrong or if I just have to give up on the idea that I have curly hair. But to be fair, the other curly go method I did, it actually worked. Like my hair was curling. It was curling way more than it is now. So maybe it's just a method, maybe it's just the products, or maybe I'm just stupid. Yeah, I don't really see myself dunking my head in a bowl of a curl activator soup anytime soon. I mean, let me know in the comments down below what you think of my hair. Is it curly? I know it's not. Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, this was today's video. I'm gonna go and find myself a masseuse now, because my neck is actually, it's actually sore. Like, it actually hurts. I'm not even kidding. This is such a lame method. Thank you guys for watching, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao.